What's up? I am back. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to display or show the time running in real time in JavaFX. So let's open our scene builder. So as you can see, I have a label here at the middle. So I have set the FX ID to time and then save. Okay. So let's go to our IDE. So this is my controller. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to make a method. So private void time now. So in the time now, I will display the current time. So and we will use thread to make our time running. So thread and then thread equals new thread. So I'm gonna use a lambda function. Okay. So inside the thread, I'm gonna use simple date format to display the time, the current time. Simple date format class. So simple date format. So I'm gonna call the simple date format as SDF. Okay, so it's new simple date format. And inside the simple date format parameter, I will declare hour, minutes, and seconds. And let's import the simple date format class. Okay. And what I'm gonna do next is to make a while loop. So in the while loop, I'm gonna put a boolean. So I'm gonna make a boolean data type here. Private volatile boolean stop. This is going to stop the thread, the running thread. So false. And then while not stop, then it will run the thread. So I'm gonna declare a try catch exception here. Catch exception is out, then hit tab if you are using NetBeans for the shortcut for system out.println, and then E. So I'm gonna make a thread.sleep. So thread.sleep and 1000 milliseconds is equals to 1000. Oh, I mean 1 second. So I'm gonna make a string here. Final string time now equals simple date format is df that format and then date. So I'm gonna declare new date. All right. So let's import the date. Import Java util date. Okay. So platform that run later, and then boom. Oops. So I'm gonna call the time variable and time that set text time now. So I almost forgot to start the thread. So I'm gonna use the thread object here. So thread that start. So if we are going to close our application, we will also stop the running thread. So I'm gonna go at the close button and let's call the stop boolean stop equals true. So that's it. Oh, I almost forgot. So I'm gonna call the time now method. Time now. That's it. So let's try to run our application. Alright, it is working now. So our time is running in real time. As you can see, it is 6:58 and 17 seconds. So I want to see the PM marker. To do this, we will just add a parameter at the simple date format space and then A. A is for AM or PM. Alright, so let's run. That's it. It is now 6:58 PM. So that's all. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I will see you in the next video.